In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Grok to Supergrok. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to start your free trial without any confusion. First, open your browser and go to grok.com, then sign into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in, focus on the left-hand sidebar. This is where most navigation lives in Grok, and it's the quickest way to get to your account controls. Look toward the bottom of that sidebar to find your profile area. You should see your avatar or profile icon there. Click that profile icon to open your account options. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to a page where you can adjust preferences and manage your plan. Inside Settings, find and click the Account section or tab. This is where upgrade options are displayed. On the account page, look for the option labeled Get Supergrok. That's the upgrade path you want. Click it, then select Upgrade to move forward. You'll be taken to the plan page where you can begin the process. Here, click Start 7-Day Free Trial. This begins a short checkout flow so your subscription can automatically continue after the trial if you decide to keep it. Don't worry, you can usually cancel before the trial ends if it's not right for you. Next, you'll land on a secure payment screen. Enter your billing details exactly as they appear with your bank or card. You can choose the payment method that works best for you. Typically, a credit or debit card, Google Pay, Cash App Pay, or a bank account option may be available. If you're using a digital wallet like Google Pay, make sure you're signed in to the correct profile in your browser so it appears as an option. Once your payment method is added and linked successfully, you're almost done. Review the summary to confirm the trial start, the plan name, and the renewal terms. When everything looks correct, click Start Trial to activate Supergrok. After that, you'll be returned to Grok with your upgrade in place. If you don't see the change immediately, a quick refresh of the page or signing out and back in can help. Keep an eye on any confirmation message or email so you have a record of your trial start date. And if you plan to evaluate during the trial, set a reminder for yourself so you can make a confident decision before the renewal. That's it, you've upgraded to Supergrok. Enjoy the enhanced experience, and thanks for watching.